This is how you send a Dropbox link for someone to upload files. I have a standard Dropbox plan, and right here on the left-hand side, it says File Request. This is how you do it. Request a file, demo for YouTube. You can say, please upload your videos here, or photos, or whatever it is. You can set a deadline and a password, and this is how you create it. You can go ahead and copy this link and paste it in an email, text, or you can go straight here and email the link directly to them. That way someone can upload all of their files, and then once the files are all uploaded, let's go to this one for example, you can click View Uploads, and you can see the uploads that the participant has uploaded to the file request that you have sent them. Hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. All right, catch you on the next one.